Handling multi-step support cases with linked tickets can feel like a complicated process. But in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to streamline it and save time while maintaining clear communication. This approach works for both small and large support teams, and it will make managing complex issues a whole lot easier. First, let's dive into what linked tickets are. In support software, linked tickets allow you to group related issues together, ensuring that when a customer has multiple interactions, each step can be tracked in the system. This is essential for providing a smooth customer experience when the problem requires more than one action or involves multiple departments. Now, let's look at how you handle multi-step support cases. When a case requires multiple steps, you should create a parent ticket and then create individual child tickets for each step. These child tickets represent specific actions that need to be taken to resolve the issue. Once created, you link these child tickets back to the parent ticket, creating a clear roadmap for the support team to follow. Next, let's talk about prioritization. Not all steps are equal, so you'll need to prioritize them. You can assign priority levels to each child ticket, so your team knows which action is the most urgent. This is especially useful when multiple support agents are involved, ensuring the customer's needs are met without delays. Having these priority markers in place will help keep everyone aligned and working on the most important tasks first. A big benefit of this system is that all updates and resolutions are tied back to the parent ticket. If one of your support agents resolves an issue in one of the child tickets, you can easily update the parent ticket, and everyone in the team will be aware of the progress. This helps avoid duplication of work and prevents a situation where different agents are working on the same issue without knowing what's already been done. Communication is also key in this process. When you're handling multi-step support cases, ensure that every child ticket has a clear description of what needs to be done. This reduces the chances of confusion, allowing each agent to pick up the ticket and quickly know what's required. Make sure agents add notes and status updates, especially if they've hit any roadblocks. It keeps the entire team in sync and ensures the customer doesn't fall through the cracks. One tip for more efficient management is to set up automatic notifications. This helps keep everyone informed as tickets are updated or closed. Notifications ensure that if a task is completed or additional steps are needed, everyone is immediately aware. This also improves the response time, especially in a case where the customer's issue is time sensitive. In case you haven't already, you'll want to use the software we'll be working with today. It's a great tool for handling linked tickets, and it'll help you organize your support cases like a pro. I've tested several of the most popular software options, but this one really stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness in managing multi-step support cases with linked tickets. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial available in the description below, just for you, my viewers. So, what's the key takeaway here? When managing multi-step support cases with linked tickets, the goal is clear organization and communication. Create a parent ticket, link your child tickets, prioritize tasks, and ensure everyone on your team stays in the loop. By following these steps, you'll be able to provide a much smoother customer experience and avoid confusion or delays. To quickly revise, remember, link your child tickets to a parent ticket, prioritize actions, keep everything updated with status notes, and use automatic notifications to stay on track. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the software we've used today, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.